Have you ever wondered how a simple change in wording can drastically alter your decisions? Today we're exploring the framing effect, which shows us that our choices aren't just about facts, but also how those facts are presented. The framing effect is a cognitive bias where people react differently to situations depending on whether they're framed as gains or losses. This concept, rooted in prospect theory, shows that the same information can lead to very different decisions based solely on its presentation. Imagine you're presented with two scenarios, 80% survival rate versus 20% mortality rate. Even though these statements are mathematically identical, people often perceive them differently. This is a classic example of how framing can influence perception and decision-making. Research shows that this effect isn't just about words, it's also influenced by emotional responses. In marketing, for instance, a slight shift in wording can enhance engagement and boost conversion rates without changing the core offer. Real-life examples of framing include political headlines that shape public sentiment. For example, a headline might change how people feel about an issue even if the underlying story remains unchanged. This shows how framing can manipulate opinions and decisions without altering reality. To reduce bias from framing, it's crucial to consider all aspects of a decision objectively. Techniques like seeking multiple perspectives and examining the underlying data can help mitigate the influence of how information is presented. In summary, the framing effect demonstrates that decisions aren't just about facts, but also heavily influenced by how those facts are framed. Whether in marketing, politics, or everyday life, understanding this concept can empower us to make more informed choices. So there you have it, the framing effect and its power over our decisions. How do you think framing affects your daily choices? Share your thoughts in the comments.